So hi guys, welcome to ISE 2020. So I'm from ISMART. I'm going to introduce you some new products. So the dual tracking camera G22T. So this camera is integrated intelligence of tracking. So it's based on the two camera with two kind of tracking, the audio tracking and the video tracking. So it's dedicated to video conferencing systems. So when the people talk, it tracks automatically to people. And when nobody talks, it focuses on the whole group of people. You can connect this to any codec or video conferencing by the HDMI output or 3G SDI output. It also has come with IP output. And you also can connect to any USB to go to the software like Zoom, WebEx, or any cloud-based software. So it's a very smart solution to make the video conferencing completely automatic. So you can find some more information on ismart.com website.